eFax is now supported on Yeastar P-Series PBX. This means Yeastar can integrate with third-party online fax services to enable fax to email, provided that faxes are sent and received using the Linkus UC Client. By the end of this session, you will know exactly how to configure integrations, assign permissions, and send or receive faxes directly through Linkus, eliminating the need for a physical fax line. First, to enable these features, please upgrade the PBX to the latest version or later. Additionally, ensure that your PBX is remotely accessible via a domain or public IP address. Let's start from the PBX side. Log into the P-Series Software Edition as an administrator. Go to Integration and select Fax. Here you can add a new integration with your chosen service provider. Currently, Yeastar supports Telnyx Fax and IZT Cloud Fax. Let's choose Telnyx for this setup. Click Add, select Telnyx Fax, and copy the system-generated webhook URL. Then go to your Telnyx portal. Click on your account, and navigate to the API key section. Create a new API key here, and copy it for later use. Next, set up an outbound voice profile. From the home menu, find real-time communication, then go to Voice, and in Settings, locate outbound voice profiles. Click Create Profile and configure it as needed. Purchase a fax-enabled number by navigating to Numbers, clicking by Numbers, selecting Fax as a feature, and searching for available numbers. Confirm your chosen number and complete the purchase. Next, go to Fax and click Create Fax App. Name this application, paste the webhook URL from the PBX. Select your time zone and click Create. For inbound fax, keep defaults. For outbound, select the applicable voice profile. Then, assign the newly purchased or other available numbers to the app and click Complete. You can view the application details and copy the application ID. Return to the PBX. In the fax integration page, enter the API key and application ID. To enable fax to email, go to Settings and assign extension emails or other email addresses to receive inbound faxes as attachments. And next, set up your fax numbers. In Fax Numbers, click Add. Enter your fax numbers in E.164 format without hyphens, and assign send and receive permissions to relevant extensions or departments. Finally, click Save. You can verify the connection status on the fax page. Before proceeding, check retention and storage settings. Navigate to System, Storage, Fax Data Auto Cleanup. By default, fax files are limited to 1024 megabits, and logs are capped for 7 days or up to 200,000 entries. Adjust these settings if needed. With the PBX configured, let's explore how users can send and receive faxes via Linkus. First, ensure the administrator has granted send and receive permissions to your extension. Open Linkus web or desktop and click Fax. To send a fax, select Send Fax, upload a PDF file, and add recipients manually or from your phone book. You can then send to up to 1,000 recipients simultaneously. Choose your from number, select a cover page if designed, and either send immediately or schedule for later. After sending, check the status in the Send tab. You can view success or failure, preview the document, download the PDF, or delete it. You can also cancel scheduled faxes before they're sent. For received faxes, go to the Received tab. You can preview, download, forward to another fax number or email. If fax to email is enabled, faxes will arrive directly in your mailbox. Cover pages are supported too. Administrators can upload up to 20 system-wide cover pages in PDF format via integration, fax, cover pages. Users can upload up to 10 personal cover pages in Linkus. Files must be 5 megabits or less in size, and encrypted PDFs are not supported. For logs and export options, administrators can select fax records and download them as the zip files containing CSV logs and PDFs, or as a single PDF per record. Users can delete their own records in Linkus, and administrators can delete records centrally in the PBX. Well, That's it. Once the online fax integration is set up and permissions are assigned, you can send and receive faxes through Linkus seamlessly, with options for scheduling, forwarding, customizing cover pages, and establishing retention policies. No physical fax lines are needed, just a fully integrated digital solution.